Hi, in this video, we'll learn about developer tools and look deeper into websites. The View Page Source feature displays a lot of information about a website. This information is public and can be seen by anyone. Along with this feature, there are other tools that can see more of the behind the scenes of a website. In the same menu as the View Page Source option is an Inspect option. This tool provides access to even more information about a website. If you're using the Chrome browser, one way to access these tools is by right-clicking on any web page and then choosing Inspect. Each browser has its own set of tools and ways of accessing them. If you don't use Chrome, research how to access and use your specific developer tools. There are a variety of different tools available here. You can click on the double arrows to see all of the tools. Developer is another word used to describe a programmer. These tools can help programmers diagnose problems quickly, and this can help them build and maintain more secure websites. Let's look at a few of these tools in more detail. The Elements tool allows you to see the web page as the browser sees it. This tool is very similar to the View Page Source tool. Using the Elements tool, you can see the HTML and CSS styling. These tools help programmers while they're building their site. They can change elements in real time and see the results instantly. Let's take a closer look. This is the Career Center page of CodeHS. Let's open up the developer tools. We'll right-click and choose Inspect. The Element tab opens up as the default tool. Here, we can change the HTML to see how it affects the page. Let's change what this says. If we right-click on this block of text and choose Inspect, it will direct us to that section of the HTML code. We can change this to whatever we'd like. We can also change the CSS and change the color. Now it's important to know that this does not actually change the page. If we were to refresh the page, it would go back to its original state. But this is a great way for developers to explore how changing their code might change the site. The console area can be used for entering live JavaScript for testing and debugging. Now, JavaScript is the code that adds functionality to a web page. It makes it interactive. You can also enter and test any JavaScript code in the console. Just like the Elements area, you're not actually changing the site, but just seeing how certain changes could impact the site. The console is also where website or programming errors are listed. Again, this is a great way to test any site you are working on for vulnerabilities. The console area is a very important area you can work in. The application panel can be used for inspecting all resources that are loaded, including different databases, storage, cookies, cache information, images, fonts, style sheets, and more. This sounds like it could be risky to share too much in this section. In the Application tab, you can view what is stored in your local storage and your session storage. Session storage is temporary and is emptied out as soon as you refresh your page or close the browser. Local storage holds on to the data, even if you close your browser or turn off your computer. This type of storage poses a higher risk. Data stored in local storage should be encrypted. Browsers also store data that is used to speed up your website loading time. Cache stores website data such as the HTML and CSS to reduce load time the next time you access that website. Cookies are used to store more personalized information, such as your browsing preferences. Cookies can also store login information and personal data that you might enter through a website form. Since cookies are more personal, cybercriminals may attempt to steal them to try to impersonate a user and access their accounts. Some ways to prevent this would be to use a private Wi-Fi whenever you can. Cookie theft is big when using public Wi-Fi networks. These networks are often unsecured and can be a hotbed for cookie theft. You can also regularly clear your cookies. Also, you should always visit websites over a secure connection using HTTPS. This can make it more difficult for hackers to intercept your cookies. Speaking of HTTPS, there is another tool that can help check the security of a website. The security panel can be used for debugging issues and checking the website's digital certificate. Shown here is an example from an unsecure site. Notice that it not only shows the site is not secure, but also highlights the reasons why on the left. This site uses HTTP instead of HTTPS. This means that the data used and stored here may not be encrypted. Here's an example of a site that is secure and has a valid certificate. This page uses HTTPS, and you can view the certificate here. All right, now it's your turn to explore more.